Howdy folks, and welcome back to Pool School. I've been getting some requests from people about a product that I did a video on 2 years ago called Dr.Drydens glass filter media. It's a filter media that replaces the sand in a sand filter, and I wanted to do a follow-up video as requested by some of my viewers on that product and how well it's done in the last 2 years in a pool that I put it in. So that's what this video is about, so what do you say we get to it? Alrighty, before we get started, I want to thank you once again for watching this video. Remind you to like, subscribe, and share. Don't forget to check out my membership website, poolschooler.com. And if you're into travel or documentary or adventures or dancing, please check out my film, It's Tappening, that is now available in the UK, US, and Australia on Prime Video Direct. Alrighty, folks, this is the filter that 2 years ago I put in the Dr.Drydens Activate Sand Filter Media Substitute, which is a glass filter product, or it's glass media, sorry. We put it in 2 years ago. The filter itself was 2 years old prior to that. Make note of that. And they had sand in there, and we had nothing but trouble with algae in this pool. And here's the pool now, obviously no green algae at all. But I can tell you this, when I first started servicing this pool, I had to backwash this filter every single week, no matter what time of year it was. We're constantly battling phosphates, constantly battling algae, and I had to put phosphate remover in this pool every single week as well in order to keep the phosphates and keep the algae at bay. Since putting in the Dr.Drydens Activate, all right, I've done nothing different with chemistry. The only thing I've done is put in the Activate product into the filter, which is guaranteed now for the life of the filters. That media never has to be replaced. But since doing that, I now backwash the filter in the on season every 2 to 4 weeks, and in the off season every 4 to 6 weeks. So that literally is twice the amount of time between backwashes, which is more convenient, and I don't add phosphate remover except for once a month as a maintenance dose, which is what I do on all my pools, just to keep the phosphates at bay. So based on that, even though the product is about 3 times the cost of regular sand, in my opinion, it's well worth it for the convenience, the clarity, and the filtration. It's fantastic. This pool has never been cloudy or had any issues with algae since we put in the Dr.Drydens. And again, maintaining proper pool chemistry, maintaining the proper function of the filter, running the pump the right amount of time during the on season and the off season, and keeping the phosphate remover in there once a month as a maintenance dose. It's well worth it as far as I'm concerned, so I could highly recommend it. And that's pretty much why I love what that product does. So there you have it, folks. That is my 2-year follow-up video on the Dr.Drydens Activate Sand Filter Glass Substitute. It is a fantastic product. One thing I want to make note of for you if you're thinking about doing this, make sure that you follow the manufacturer's instructions from their website as far as how to install it, how to put it in your sand filter, and what size and how much of each size you need to use. There's a specific size that you have to put in the bottom, and then a specific size you have to put in the top layers. And if you follow that, you'll be fine and you'll be golden. You'll love this product. Again, this is a product that literally has made a believer out of me to the point where I used to love the cartridge filters over everything else. I would pick a cartridge filter over everything else, especially DE. DE is the least favorite of mine. I know some people swear by it, but I'm not a fan of it at all. But now with the sand filter substitute that they have from Dr.Drydens Activate, this glass media, it literally has made a believer to the point that if I were to build a pool myself, I would put a sand filter, good high quality like Pentair sand filter in my system, and I would put the Activate glass filter media product into the sand filter, and then I would never have to worry about changing that sand again. It would filter as good as DE, and it would be great. So if that's what you're looking for, I can't recommend it enough, even after 2 years, especially after 2 years. So there you have it, folks. That's my video. Once again, I want to thank you for watching it. Remind you to like, subscribe, and share. If you have any questions or comments, you can leave them in the comment section below this video, or as always, you can email me. My email address is kennypoolschool@gmail.com. Once again, kennypoolschool@gmail.com. Don't forget to check out my membership website, poolschooler.com. And if you're looking for a really cool film, documentary travel film that deals with arts, culture, dance, tap, people, adventures, activities, food, please check out my film, It's Tappening, and there'll be a link in the description below this video where you can check it out. It's on Prime Video in the UK, US, and Australia for right now. Thanks again for watching. Remember, until we meet again, have fun, be safe, and always watch those kids and elderly folk and pets around water, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.